Green word Quantum Resonance Magnetic Analyzer. Software installation. The first step is to install the software on your laptop or computer. Get your laptop or computer ready. Its operating system is supposed to be Windows 8 or Windows 10. Take the USB flash drive, the golden one, out of the package and insert it into your laptop. Open the folder and double-click the Quantum Resonance Magnetic Analyzer 4.8.0.exe program file. A window pops up. This is the Quantum Resonance Magnetic Analyzer setup wizard. Just follow its guidance and you will successfully install the drive program of the software. Click Next to continue. This window asks you to select a drive in your laptop to store the software. If you agree on the default drive, click Next to continue. If you want to create a shortcut icon on your desktop, click Next to continue. A ready-to-install window pops up. Click Install to continue with the installation. Wait for the installation to begin. At the same time, a PDF creator program will be automatically installed. It allows you to read and generate reports. Installation continues, followed by a confirmation window. Click Yes, restart the computer now to restart your laptop in order to complete the installation. Then click Finish, and your computer will restart automatically to finish installation of both programs. If you click No, I will restart the computer later, you won't be able to use the software right away. Your software runs after your laptop is switched on next time. Create personal file. Now your software is ready for use. Remove the USB for installation and insert the encryption lock, the silver USB flash drive, into your laptop. If you fail to insert the encryption lock before you double-click the shortcut icon, an error window will pop up reminding you to change the USB flash drive. Double-click the shortcut icon of Quantum Resonance Magnetic Analyzer program on your desktop. Now you have entered the main interface. You are at the home page of the main interface. Before testing, you need to create a personal file for each and every one to be tested. Click Dossier on the toolbar to create a database of a user. You may categorize your tested persons according to region, distribution center, or any criteria you will use to manage the files. If you want to create a new group category, click Add below Group Manage at the bottom left of the screen. A window pops up. Enter a new group name and remarks. Click Saves after you finish. Then, a new group name will appear in the drop-down menu under the Customer group at the left side of the screen. Click Add below Tested Person Manage at the bottom left of the screen. An e-form pops up. Fill in the information of the person to be tested. Enter the name of the one to be tested. Choose the gender. Enter his or her date of birth by changing the figures of the year, month, and the day. Enter the height in cm and weight in kilogram. If you use British system of measures, you must firstly convert these two figures into the measurements in metric system. Enter telephone or mobile numbers. Enter email address, department, profession, address, and remarks if necessary. Please be aware that the items marked with red asterisk are required to be completed. Missing any of it result in a failure of storing the personal file. After you finish, click Save. The name you just entered appears in the drop-down menu under the new group name you just created at the left side of the screen. Testing. Insert the USB cable of the quantum resonance magnetic analyzer device to your laptop with another end of the cable connected to the analyzer. Put the device levelly on the worktop. The power light on the analyzer device turns red. It's ready for testing. Choose the user you added under Dossier and click Testing on the toolbar to start test with the analyzer. Ask the person to put the left or right hand on top of the analyzer device and click Start. When your hand is on the analyzer, the red light will automatically turn blue. A window pops up. Click Start Test Y. The testing begins. The device will scan your organs and systems. The process will take a few minutes. Take your hand on the device until the progress bar is filled with green. When the device finishes scanning, a dialog window pops up. Click Confirm to continue. Click Save to continue. The testing result will be saved in the personal file of the tested person. Generating reports. Scroll down, you will find all tested items and their results. Let's open one report to see how to read it. For example, to know about the condition of the heart and blood vessels, click Open the cardiovascular and cerebrovascular report. You may see a series of criteria indicating different functions of the circulatory system. There's a bar with different colors behind each criterion. Green colors indicate normal function, blue ones indicating mildly abnormal function, yellow ones indicating moderately abnormal function, and the red ones indicating severely abnormal function. Right below the list of the reports, there's a button named Compositive Report. Click it to generate a comprehensive report of all items tested. This report summarizes the abnormal result found by the device from the tested organs or systems. Based on the results, it gives health advices on how to change your lifestyle, including diet, exercise, and sleep. Once the report is generated, you may click the full page to select the next step. Click Preview to view the report ready for print. Click Save PDF to select the file in which the report you want to save. You may name the file and save it in your laptop or USB flash drive. If you choose to save the report in WEB file, click Save WEB. If the person tested asks for a printed report, click Print P to get it printed. Of course, your laptop must be connected with a printer before you take the testing. With Greenwood Quantum Resonance Magnetic Analyzer, you have a health advisor at your fingertips. The reports do not serve as a substitute for the diagnosis. If you need it, please consult a physician.